Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enter codes on Fish It, and here are the current working codes for this month. To enter the code, go to the store section and scroll down until you find this. So the new code, I actually have not claimed it yet, I think, is travel, and then you're just going to select redeem, and I got 1 potion. There's also Mega, Armor, and Sharks, 3 S's. I will put it in the description box down below. I think, actually I'll comment on it. I'll pin the comment, but that is how you can claim codes, how you can redeem codes on Fish It. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.